Can you speak to all the sophisticated aspects of the Mayan calendar that they've developed?
I know you got another 5 hours.
Yeah, let's go. I should.
No, I'm kidding.
I should say that you also gave me the 2024 Mayan calendar.
Yeah, I do this just to, show the world that calendar system is evergreen. It can go into the future or the past for billions of years in the system they made, just like our system is.
So, can you speak to the three components here as I'm reading? The Tzolk'in, the Hob, and the long count. What are these fascinating components of the calendar?
It's neat how obsessed they were. Really math nerds. It wasn't good enough for them to just make one cycle to describe time.
Yeah.
They had all these cycles that interlocked into each other like cogs in a machine, though they never thought of it like that.
Mm-hmm.
But the Tzolk'in's their oldest one, and the one that still endures today. There are millions of Maya people that are living their lives based on a 260-day count. No weeks, no months. It's just 13 numbers combined with 20 day names for a total of 260 days, and then it goes again.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody in the Highlands knows what their birthday is in that calendar, knows what it means about their personality and the kind of jobs that they're supposed to do. Each one of those days has their own spirit and what's supposed to happen in those days. The Maya collectively call them the mom, the grandmother, grandfather spirits. And they talk to each one of those days and they pray to them. There's now an association of some 8,000 people that are called Aki, that are day keepers who are keeping the days. And they're also like community psychologists almost. People come to them and say, my life is mixed up. What's wrong here? Well, let's ask the mom. Like, okay, well, it looks like you're not doing this or that, or you know what? You're an accountant. You're not supposed to be an accountant. You're supposed to be a midwife. What are you doing? You're living your life wrong. You're a keeb. You need to start being a keeb person.
So they take extremely seriously the day on which you're born, what that means, like the spirit that embodies that day.
Right. Like I'm keeb. I'm 13 keeb, and it says it's funny how accurate a lot of them are. Mine is basically I'm an irresponsible husband and parent, but people like me, so my family still prospers. Like, well, God, that's horribly that's horribly accurate.
I mean, it's some of it is also the chicken or the egg. If you truly believe, if you structure society where this calendar is truly sacred, then it kind of like you manifest a lot of the spirit does manifest itself in the life of the people that is born on that spirit's day.
Absolutely.
It's interesting.
And the Maya really feel this in this system. So that's the core system. This 260-day calendar was the very first calendar they made thousands of years ago, and it's the one that's most important today.